Alright guys, we are back. Let's try it once again with a spike factory. Let's go! I think I want you right here. I hope you're better than a ace. Because he... What the fuck? I look like I'm high. Hello? Camera? He's just tired. Don't worry guys. Alright, spike factories are pretty OP. But why is my hand cam not working? Alright, that was weird. But it should be working now. Good. I think I want to generally place them a bit higher. Because they had time to regenerate when they were up there, right? So we don't want to repeat that mistake. And I also think that the spike factory is way better than an ace. If it's 0-0 that is, of course. Good, another dot monkey. Now we just have to wait. And also, the spike factory can hit camos, so that's also a huge plus. And I think I'm not careful enough because I don't have any lead popping power, so let's get him up. Let's go. Bam. Right? Boy, spike factories are OP. They are really OP. As long as no big rush comes directly in the beginning, I think this bad boy will hold everything. That's crazy, man. And what's also crazy is I never used a continue nor a monkey boost. So that's actually surprising. But I think I will be using 2 monkey boosts because in the beginning this spike factory can produce more, or are they disappearing? I'm not even sure. I think they are disappearing, though there is a cap. But I will still try to boost because I don't have enough faith in my monkeys that they will hold everything. But this spike factory man, that's such a champion. Such a champion. Okay. I think I want him... Where do I want him? Let's place him here. Okay, attention. Now it could get fishy real fast. Alright, now. Come on, come on! Let's go! Let's go! It wasn't enough. Just wasn't enough. I have to look at the recording again. Right, every upgrade is bought. Now we have to wait for this huge rush. I think this position of the towers should do it. Okay, that's also kinda close. So I set you on strong real quick, now on first. Because I think he was also creating a regrow farm, because he was on strong. But I don't know. I don't know. Okay, a mini rush. But these towers should be doing their job regardless. Shouldn't be too hard. Okay, another fail. That's really nice. That's really nice. I don't know if we will be able to get this rush, but we will see. Should I use a couple red hot spikes? Yeah, let's use a couple. Like 3. Now. I don't know if that's a good idea, but let's do it. No. Just no. That wasn't it. Okay guys, new strategy. Let's sell all towers. Where's my factory? Just kill me already. Just kill me. Oh, it's back. Now it's back. Now I can place it and sell it. But it won't help me much. Unless... Okay guys, call me crazy. Call me crazy. Okay. Now. Nope. Alright, boost. Good. Now, the boost should be active for a couple more seconds, but by the time the big rush comes, I can activate it again. Now the question is, should I use the red hot spikes? Because I really believe that these are not necessary, but at the same time I think I have to use them for obvious reasons. But I give it one more try without the red hot spikes. I will just use the normal ones here. Alright. Good. When comes the rush? When comes the rush? And... come on. Come on. Now. Okay. Maybe. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Finally. Let's go. Finally, man. Now I have inner peace. Okay, what do we get? I bet with you guys. It's not good. It's not good. I'm really betting with you. Let's see. All this hustle for this? No. No. All this hustle for this. Nice. Ah, that's great. That's very great. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a good evening or morning or whatever. And I see you guys in the next video. See ya!